So, students, today we are going to discuss and start a new chapter of business studies. So, I hope all of you had a very good vacation. So, now we will start with the new chapter, that is staff selection. As we have covered earlier, staff recruitment. So, I am giving a quick recap. Staff recruitment is a type of process where there is to create a pool of eligible candidates, and after that step, after the staff recruitment step, comes staff selection. Staff selection is the process of carefully screening the lots of the candidates. Means staff selection is the process of choosing the most suitable and the most appropriate candidate among the given lot. So if there is suppose if there is 1,000 people and there is 10 seat, so out of the 1,000, the company has to select 10 people out of it. So they will have to, the candidates or the prospective candidates or the employees who are willing to work there, they have to pass through a number of hurdles, which includes a writing test, then your physical test, then personal interview. Then these are some of the steps which consist in the selection procedure. So staff selection is the process, means it is a process which consists of very much interrelated steps, and the organization or employee has to carefully monitor the results of the candidates, and those candidates who have successfully passed all the tests and are matching the parameters of the organization, be it your intelligence test, be it your selection test. So there are hurdles or the procedure which consists of several tests they have to pass in order to be selected. So to sum it up, staff selection is a process where the candidates are carefully screened and scrutinized so that they are put in the job, they are put up in the organization, and the most appropriate candidates are selected. Because the appropriate candidates, why they are selecting? Because the company wants the production to very much smooth, effective, efficient, and productivity should be there. So there should be no depletion of resources, wastage of resources, money, etc. So as you can see there, I have written the meaning there. So I have written staff selection is the process of carefully screening of the available candidates. Take the example, in an organization there are 10 vacancies in the organization, only 10, and the in that 10 position there are 1,000 candidates who have filled up the post, so they will have to appear for the test. And the main thing in this, that staff selection rejects or eliminates the inappropriate candidates. Means staff selection is not that everyone will fill the post, everyone will fill the form, they'll get the job. They have to appear for the test, and these selection test comprises of different steps and hurdles, which comprises of selection test, medical test, intelligence test, dexterity test. And therefore staff selection is the process of carefully screening candidates and picking the most appropriate and suitable ones among the given lot. So staff selection involves that the organization has to carefully, monetarily scrutinize all the candidates, and those who are matching the parameters, those candidates who are matching the parameters and have displayed their results very excellently, they are selected. And the rest candidates, those who have not passed the test, they are being eliminated. So I have written here, those who are to be employed, those who are to be selected, will be selected on the basis of their merit, on the basis of their skill shown, on the basis of their score, on the basis of the how they have fared in their interview. and those who have to be rejected means those who are to be eliminated. And therefore, I have written here, it is a process. I said staff selection is a procedure which consists of several steps which we'll discuss, starting from application blank, preliminary screening, test, then it goes on group discussions, etc., etc. So negative process, staff selection is called a negative process because I'll tell you why it is, because it eliminates or weed out the unsuitable and inappropriate candidates. That's why it is known as a negative process. Because suppose if a company puts a wrong man at the job, so the man does not know how to execute, how to perform the work, so it will lead to depletion of the resources, time, money, expenses, everything will be gone in vain and futile. So staff selection is a negative process because it eliminates and rejects the unsatisfactory, inappropriate candidates and picks the right man for the right job. Means staff selection assigns the right man at the right job so that the work of the organization can be done in full flow, in smooth process, effective efficiency and productivity is enhanced, and the attainment of the organizational goals can be achieved. So I have written, you can have a look at the whiteboard at the back. I have written all the meaning here, all the key terms. So if you have the book, do refer the book and watch the video very carefully, entirely, several times, so as to try to grasp and grab the content and the meaning of staff selection. And if you have any problem, you do revert back to me. So I'll try to solve your doubts as soon as possible.